Well, an obvious one when it comes to energy use that we can see, unlike some of the applications that we can all understand energy's flowing through, are the electrical power distribution systems. Right. Does that, because we often attach just electricity to our conception of our concept of energy use, is that where the biggest opportunity is in electrical power distribution? What are the opportunities around electrical power distribution?
Yeah, Terry, I see when you made the connection. When people think about energy, they think about the electricity, right? And typically electricity is about 30 to 40% of the energy savings within a plant. And it easily makes up, just electrical use makes up about 70% of the total energy usage within an industrial facility, right? So lots of times we end up expanding our plants, buying new equipment, putting in motors that are not efficient, and that impacts our current signature, our voltage signature, the power quality of our electrical distribution system. People also will do things like put in power factor correction units, and we do that quite frequently, right? Because we want to lower that power factor and what's the total cost of what I have to pay at the end of the day. But we do that without tuning it to the system. And so now we create harmonics on the line, which again directly impacts the cost or how much energy we're going to consume, which is at the end of the day part of our total energy cost. So yeah, there's a huge opportunity when it comes to power distribution, not only from designing it from a greenfield and commissioning the system on the early design piece of it, but it's every time we add something different to the line, or we go in, and you've heard a lot of things about changing over and the energy efficiency that you can have whenever you operate a motor with a VFD, right? We put additional VFDs on the line. Those things are great, are very notorious for putting on, again, additional harmonics on the line. So we have to do that and design it in such a way that it's actually, they counterbalance each other. When you have harmonics on the line, if you put them in correctly in the right places, and you have to look at that. You can't just haphazardly install equipment without thinking about how does it impact my power quality.
One of the things that I say here, and it's kind of a little bit of way of with the electrical systems, is I tell people that reliability begins with a design. So as Chris talked about, in the greenfield stage when we're starting out, we can design that to be reliable. But that reliability also in the future depends on your management of change process. And if you don't have a good management of change process that says how is the current addition going to impact the overall facility, you're going to have some losses.